In this video, let's explore on how to use a testimonial widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in an existing section. Here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widgets and search for the testimonial. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left sidebar, you can see extra class. You can enter your class name for customizing this widget. The next part is query. Here you can enter the number of posts you want to show per page. And the next one is author. Here you can choose your author name. And this is the include post. You can choose the preferred post here. And this is the exclude post. Here you can choose the post you don't want to display. And this is the order by. You can choose your preferred order here. I'll choose date, and this is the order. You can choose ascending or descending. The next part is layouts. Here you can change alignment of these testimonials, and this is the explain length. Here you can enter the preferred description length. Let's give 10. And the next one is post layout. Here you can choose it from default, classic, modern, classic, pro, or list. Let's choose modern layout now. And the next one is post columns. Here you can choose the preferred number of columns. Let's choose 2 columns. The next one is read more text. Here you can change the text of the read more here. And here you can enable or disable the post messenger. And this is the post variation. You can choose it from light or dark. And here you can see the post items. Here you can enable needed items to the enabled area by drag and drop. Also, you can disable unwanted items to the disabled area by drag and drop. Also, you can change alignment of these items easily. And this is the post overlay items option. You can enable or disable it here. You can enable the preferred item to the post overlay. And the next one is post top meta. You can choose preferred items to the left and right. And here you can change the preferred item for the post bottom meta. Also, you can place it in the left or right. The next part is title. Here you can choose preferred titles tag size here. The next part is image. You can choose your preferred image resolution here. And the next part is slide. Here you can enable or disable it. And this is the slide items. Here you can enter the number of slide items you want to display on the desktop. And here you can enter the number of slide items you want to display on the tab. And here you can enter the number of slide items you want to display on the mobile. And here you can enable or disable all this autoplay, loop, item center, navigation and pagination options. And the next one is items margin. Here you can enter the preferred value with the pixels for the space between the slide items. And here you can adjust the duration value of the slide items. And here you can enter the preferred value for slide item speed. And this is the item slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once. So the next part is links. And here you can enable or disable the target blank and no follow for all the images, title and read more links. Let's moving on to the style. And here you can change the color for this grid. Also, you can change the background color for this grid here. And here you can enable the box shadow. Also, you can change the style of the box shadow here. Also, you can remove the box shadow style here. And this is for padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for this grid. And also you can change all this in the hover too. Or the next part is title. Here you can change the title transform like capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And here you can change the title color. Also you can adjust the size of the title here. You can change all this in the hover too. And this is the margin. Here you can enter outer space value for this title. Let's give margin top 10 pixels. And this is the padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the title. And this is the title bottom space. You can adjust as per your requirement. Also you can change font family and font style of the title here. Or the next part is link. Here you can change color of the default post links here. Also you can change it in the hover too. And the next one is top meta link color. You can choose your preferred color here. Also you can change it for the hover too. And here you can change the color of bottom meta links. Also you can change it in the hover too. And this is for overlay links color. Choose your preferred overlay link color here. Also you can change it in the hover too. The next part is image. Here you can change the image style like square, rounded or circled. And here you can enable or disable the image resize option. Adjust your image size as per your requirement. Also you can change bottom space of the image here. And this is for image background color. Choose your preferred color here. And this is for image inner space value. You can enter preferred padding value for the image here. And the next one is border type. You can choose preferred type of the border here. Also you can change the border width value here. And this is for the border color. You can choose your preferred color for the border here. The next part is read more button. Here you can change the text shadow style of the button. And the next one is transform. Here you can change capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And this is for button text color. Choose your preferred text color here. Also you can change background color of the button here. And this is for button border. Choose your preferred type here. And here you can enter preferred radius for the button. Here you can change the button box shadow style. Also you can enter your preferred inner space value for the button here. And this is for typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button text here. Also you can change all this in the hover too. The next part is meta. Here you can change the typography and style for this top meta here. Also you can adjust the bottom space of the top meta here. And this is the bottom meta. You can change font family and font style of the bottom meta. Also you can adjust the bottom space of the bottom meta here. The next part is content. Here you can change the content color. And this is for changing font family and font style of the content. And this is for changing the bottom space of the content. You can choose as per your requirement. Also you can change all this in the hover too. The next part is overlay. Here you can change font family and font style of the overlay text. And this is for choosing inner space value of the overlay. And here you can adjust the top space of the overlay. And this is for adjusting left space of the overlay. And here you can change the overlay's background color. in the normal and the hover too. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.